Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Vita Nurkaya, Class 12 Electrical Installation, Engineering 1, number absent 24. Here I will explain the result of the vocation practice exam that one conducted yesterday. Before taking the exam yesterday, the subject teacher had prepared exam equipment such as neutral pass cable for single pass MCB, PHB box, pralon, elbow clamp, one service switch on PCU lamp, 3 lamp, 2 sockets and 2 switches hang. In yesterday practice, the 12 grades of electrical power installation engineering were asked to make an example of a multi-story building installation lying public road divided into 4 groups using on pass for MCB with a voltage of 220 volt per on MCB. The first group is for public street lighting or PCU, in which 3 is a light sensor which will automatically turn on when the weather is dark in the afternoon, and the light will turn off if the sensor gets sunlight inside. 3 are to with normally pass and neutral to turn on the street lighting. The second group is for sockets consisting of 2 wires, namely pass and neutral. The third group is the installation of a three-story building consisting of a series switch on socket and 2 on 2 lampu from the MCB 1 pass contacted PHB only 2 cables to the first floor of a multi-story building. Normally, the pass and neutral for the pass cable entering the series switch and bolted with socket, and the output of the series switch to the 2 lamp is the installation of the lamp requires 2 cables to turn on pass and neutral. And the last group is the installation of a second-story building using an hang switch. The switch function is a device used to turn off and turn on lampu from 2 different places as on the stairs of a multi-story building. In the first switch, there are 3 points of ring in the switch on for the second pass input to enter the second switch, then the output of the second switch will enter the lamps. At the time of yesterday practice, many experienced difficulties unlike the trial time. There were many that could be during practice, but when the test was all done, it made without too much tension and lack of concentration. Many cables often broke because they were too thick when cutting the cable, so the circuit could not turn on because of the cable break up in the middle of the kind, but it did not break the spirit of the 12 graders because the exam was the last test when they were in a public high school in Japan. The teacher also understand that for one year their students learn from home without any practice. I think vocation learning, if there is no practice, will not understand the material presented. That is the explanation from me of the experience of material that was obtained during the vocation practice exam yesterday. Hopefully, it will be useful for me in the future when I graduate from this on Japan State League School. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.